Good morning, everyone. We have harvest now. It's a rainy morning here, but gardening continues. We have kangkong, squash tops, okra, alagbati, saluyot. We have malunggais too. I just didn't pick malunggais. Yan, if there's a will, there's a way, guys. Every day we can have free fresh vegetables. And they are grown naturally. Thank you for watching. I hope to inspire people that gardening is possible even on our rooftop. Guys, I just had a limited time arranging. That's why my garden is a bit messy. Because during sunny days, it's a bit hot here, very sunny area. And then when it rains, it's also prone to rainy water. Thank you, everyone. Let's plant, guys, and have free food. Let's make it a hobby, enjoying while harvesting our crops or vegetables. Thank you, everyone. Good morning. Always take care. Tang, 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 tang. I'll just buy some fish, guys, in order to have hot soup for the rainy days. Thank you, everyone. Let's get some lemongrass. Oh. And we have onions too. Oh, nabunot. Let's go. It's raining. Thank you for watching.